finally got the FMF for the YZ125. Before we get into this, swapping out from the stock, letting you guys hear this thing. Today is the last day. It ends tonight for you guys to get your entries for a chance to win this thing. Like I've said, I'll ship it to you, I'll bring it to you, and every $5 that you spend gives you one entry to win this on my website. Top link in the description if you want to check something out, and if you don't want to miss your opportunity to win this brand new YZ125. You would have already seen this if you follow my 2-stroke build page, but for the last day, everybody that orders a windbreaker is going to get a free snapback, and every order over $100 automatically gets $20 off their order. So get something if you want to get entered, and we'll jump into getting the FMF put on this thing so you can finally hear how this thing sounds with the full FMF. Finally, I got the FMF in. Took way too long, but finally came in stock. It's been long awaited. I'm pumped to see how this thing is gonna sound, but I think I'm gonna fire it up, do a couple sound clips here, a couple revs, rip it around. That way you can see the full difference between stock and then the full FMF. So let me get this thing fired up, warmed up. It came right in time before the giveaway ends. By the time this video goes up, there's probably only one day left where you guys can enter to win the YZ125. Guys, quickly, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Bespoke Post. Let's see what they sent over here. Bespoke Post is a monthly membership club delivering awesome boxes with top shelf goods from under the radar brands. So it's free to join, and every month they introduce their members to new products from outdoor gear, home and kitchen goods, clothing. First thing is this cold brew coffee maker. Can't start my morning without a coffee, so this will save me a bunch of time. Got this sick new cooler bag so I can take drinks on the go. And I got a nice compact chair for when I go to the track. Took me 2 seconds to set up. Being a pretty small chair, it's actually really comfy. Whether I bring it to the track, on the beach, this thing's perfect. So each box has around $70 in value, but you only pay a fraction of the price. And something that's cool is 90% of the product come from small businesses, and a lot of them being in the US, which is pretty cool. So you only pay for what you want. You'll get a box assigned to you each month based on the quiz you take when signing up, and before it's shipped, you'll get a preview of what comes in the box to decide whether you like it. So you can keep it, swap it out for a different box, or just skip the month entirely for absolutely no charge. So right now you can get 20% off your first box by clicking the link in my description and entering the code on the screen right here at checkout, or just using the link on the screen right here. Once again, thank you to Bespoke Post for sponsoring this video, and we'll get into the rest of the vlog. Well, I'm not gonna lie, the FMF that's on here right now doesn't fit. Must have ordered the wrong one. It said 22 YZ125X is what I saw after the fact. So the FMF on there is not the right one. Overnighted the one that should fit from FMF. That way it would get here in time before the giveaway ends, and I can get a couple sound clips to be able to make this video. So I gotta return that pipe. Hopefully the silencer fits with this pipe because that's for an X, I think. Overall, pretty annoying. We'll get that thing taken out. We'll get this thing off, get it repackaged up, shipped back out because it's brand new and you can't start it up. It doesn't actually line up in the front in the cylinder, which you'll see here in a second. Pretty annoying, but it is what it is. And hopefully at this point, if you've wanted to win this thing, you've gotten your entries in. Today's your last chance. It ends today. Regardless, get this popped off and get a little sound test of stock. Wearing gloves this time so I don't get any fingerprints on the pipe. So here's the new pipe. I'll show you the main reason why it wouldn't fit. Where it goes into the cylinder, it's basically reversed. And this one before with the older models would go over the cylinder. So yeah, this pipe, there's no way it was actually gonna fit. It was just sitting on the cylinder. And then this will go inside. But pretty simple, super annoying that I had to order another one and pay the ridiculous amount for the overnight shipping. Watch it not fit again. All right, boom, it's loosely fitted up. Cross my fingers now that the silencer lines up right. Be just my luck. All right, sweet, looks like everything lines up how it should. I'm excited to see how it sounds. Everything's loosely fitted to get it all lined up, torque it all down, and we'll fire this thing up. Probably should throw a little Loctite with my experience with 2-strokes. All right, we're good to go. Man, I just warmed this thing up to do a couple revs. It sounds really good. Leave it in the comments what you think sounds better. I'll play both back to back, stock or the FMF. It's crispy now, it sounds so sweet. This is how it should sound right here. Thing sounds so good. I love it. I would go ride it around right now, but it's soaked, it's been muddy. We'll take it out tomorrow morning. Wish I could take it to a track in this video, but no tracks are open. I really don't have anywhere else to ride this thing. So unfortunately, I'm stuck to the backyard for now. Sounds good, it looks good. Again, let me know what you think. They're pretty similar in sound. It's hard to tell a difference on the video, I'm sure, because the FMF kind of just blows out the mic on the camera. Main difference, the FMF is a little crispier mid-range and up top, where the stock is a little more refined. I guess now I'll cut to the riding footage. All right, I'm loaded up, ready to head out to the track. This is the sound comparison with the exhaust, so we're gonna go test it out stock, and then we'll throw the FMF on. I haven't ridden in like 2 months, it's been so long. All right, we just got to the track, get this thing warmed up and go do a couple laps. So windy today, it's crazy. Hammered. It's just a little track just to get warmed up. I haven't ridden in so long, and not all 3 tracks are usually open, so ride this one or the main track, ride the little mini night cross track. This thing is so much fun. I love it. like I said in the beginning of the video, today is your last day. It ends tonight for you to win this YZ125. Check out the link in the description. I wouldn't sleep on it. Here's your chance to win a brand new dirt bike. I'm gonna end the video here. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video if you want some more two-stroke videos. Once I get the 125 and the 250 back, we'll have some more videos soon, but I'll catch you guys in the next one.